Hello, it's Gem Games here once again and welcome to this new Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create this moving lava material. And you can obviously use it for whatever texture that you want. And you can make it move to whatever direction. So yeah, let's get started. First I will create a new folder called lava material. And I will open it and I will create a new material, and this will be called lava underscore mat. Let's open it. First, what we want to do, we want to right click and get a texture sample. Now we want to select our texture that we will use. I will use the fire tiled D. Okay, let's leave some space here. Now we can connect this RGB to the base color. And we want to get from the RGB again, and we want to multiply it and connect that to the emissive color. And let's actually align it better. Okay, it didn't work. So the next thing that we want to do is we want to right click and get a scalar parameter, and we want to rename this to like glow or something like that. And let's connect this to the B. So what this will do, it will multiply this texture by this value. So it will be more bright. Okay, so next thing that we want to do is we want to get from the UVs, and we want to get a panner. This is what actually moves the texture. And here what we want to do, to the coordinate, we want to get a texture coordinate like this. And here we can set our U tiling and V tiling. So this is basically how many times the texture will be on the object that you put this material. So if I put this to 5 and 5, it will be 5 times on the material basically. I will set it to 1 and 1. Okay, and now to the speed, what we want to do, we want to get a vector to a constant to vector. Sorry, I haven't been using much Unreal lately, so I don't remember everything. Now let's connect this white pin to the speed. So now we can adjust the X from here and the Y from here. So let's set the speed on X to like 1, and on Y it can be 0. And as you can see, it started to move. And if we set this Y also to 1, it will move like that. But let's set this to 0 and this to like 0.25, something like that. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Now let's save. Let's go back to the third person map. Let's create a plane. Let's set the set location to like 0.1, so it's a little bit over this platform here under. And now let's actually move it here, and let's set its scale to like 10 by 5. Okay, so it's like that, and it's not on the middle. Let's actually fix that quickly. Okay, now we can just set the material there, and as you can see, it started to move. But now when we have this scale on the X 10 and on the Y 5, how we can fix that the lava is a little bit stretched. So let's go back to the lava material. And here on the text coordinate on the v-tiling, let's actually set it to 2, I think. Let's save. Let's see. And I think I did it correctly. I think it's the U. So U2 and V1. Okay, now it looks better. So yeah. And you can obviously use this for whatever texture that you want. You can here just click on the texture sample and you can select whatever you want. For example, this hex tile thing. Now when we save and go back to the level, you can see we have this nice moving hex tile. So yeah, I think that was all for this video. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah, see you on the next one. Bye.